You can show an input message on active cell. Input message guide the user to entering data in an active cell. When user activates cell displays input message in a box. Input messages work as a screen tips. By displaying input message on an active cell, correct data is collected from the user. It is reduce the error from the user. To display input message, first activate a cell. In Data tab, click Data Validation command. Click Input Message tab. Make sure this box is checked. In title box, type first name. In input message box, type enter your first name. Click OK. You can see input messages box display instructions when a cell is active. Now active this cell. Click Data Validation command. Make sure this box is checked. In title box, type last name. In input message box, type enter your last name. Click OK. You can see input messages box display instructions. Now active this cell. In Data tab, click Data Validation command. In Allow box, select the date. Uncheck this box. I validate date between two date values. So select between in data box. In start date box, type 1st January 2019. In end date box, type 10 January 2019. Click OK. By entering these two values, user is restricted to enter date between these two values. Now again click Data Validation command. Click Input Message tab. In title box, type date. In input message box, type enter date. First January 2019 to 10 January 2019. Click OK. You can see input messages box display instructions. In this way, you can create input message in a cell.